Once upon a time in the colorful town of Sunnyville, there was a curious little fox named Leo. Leo loved exploring the park, climbing trees, and making new friends. One bright morning, Leo was skipping through the park when he heard a tiny cry near the playground. He looked around and saw his friend Mia the rabbit sitting on the ground, holding her knee. Tears sparkled in her eyes. "What's wrong, Mia?" Leo asked, running over to her. "I tripped while playing hopscotch," Mia said with a sniffle. "It hurts, and I don't know what to do." Leo remembered what his teacher, Mrs. Owl, had taught in the Helpful Heroes class. It was all about first aid. "Don't worry, Mia. I know how to help," Leo said bravely. Step 1. Stay calm and comfort. First, Leo smiled at Mia to make her feel better. "It's okay, Mia. I'm here to help." Step 2. Ask an adult for help. Leo spotted Mr. Beaver, the park ranger, nearby and waved him over. "Mr. Beaver, can you help us? Mia got hurt." Step 3. Use basic first aid. Mr. Beaver brought a small first aid kit from his bag. Leo gently cleaned Mia's scrape with a soft tissue. "This might tickle a little," he said, trying to make her laugh. Then, Mr. Beaver gave Leo a bright bandage to put on Mia's knee. "Ta-da! Superhero bandage to the rescue," Leo said as he carefully placed it. Step 4. Be a cheerful helper. "How do you feel now, Mia?" Leo asked. "Much better." Mia smiled. "Thank you, Leo. You're my hero."